What's up guys, welcome to Apeh Menu YouTube channel. Help subscribe to this channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn from their YouTube. Do click on that little bell icon to be notified of the latest video. Here is the main character for this video. So, how do YouTubers get paid? Based on the research I made with my cat, we found that one of the most passive ways to make an income through YouTube channel is to earn money through ad views. There are two types of ads: 1. CPM, cost per 1,000 views, and 2. CPC, cost per click. If the ads is CPM, that means the viewer of your YouTube video must watch the ad for longer than 30 seconds. If it's a CPC ads, then you get paid based on how many viewers click on the ads surrounding your video. Now, let's go to syedot ASMR YouTube channel. According to Social Blade, syedot YouTube have uploaded 746 video. He currently have 807k subscribers. After reaching 100,000 subscribers, he has been awarded with the silver play button from YouTube. Currently, he has a total view of 148,234,687. Job well done syedot. He is a YouTuber from Malaysia, and his channel type is entertainment. He created his channel since October 6, 2011. The grade he got is B+, and his Social Blade ranking is 32,629th. Subscriber ranking is 31,326th. Video view rank is 38,062th. He ranked 84th in Malaysia, and entertainment rank is 7,760th. Next, the average on daily subs for syedot is around 467. And daily view around 104,005. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube. And this is going to be an estimate. So, daily views he got is 100,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning for syedot will be $400. Monthly income is $12,000. And yearly income will get $144,000. But wait, don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue of 45%. Now, $144,000 multiply with 0.55 will get $79,200. And that is how much syedot ASMR earn from YouTube. I think anyone can succeed on YouTube, if they work really hard. That's what my cat said. And I agree. Period.